What's up guys, welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make the cinematic black bars of goodness. I'm going to use the drift method. Freaking incredible. Round F16 for that to get that sunburst. So this is something I get asked a lot, especially when people see my vlogs or any of the recent videos I've done where I have any type of B-roll, and that is how do I get those black bars there. So that's really easy. It's very quick. So let's jump into Premiere and show you. Okay, so I'm here in Premiere Pro. I'm using Premiere Pro CC, the latest version, but this should work with any of the Premiere Pros. So we've got our footage here, and this is some footage that I'm using for my demo reel. And I've done everything, all the color grading and the music and everything. So the last step is going to be to add these cinematic bars. So what I want to do is, the first thing is I need to make an adjustment layer. So I'm going to go back over here to the project, and I'm going to go to the new item and select adjustment layer, and then make sure it's set to my sequence settings, which is good. And then I'm going to drag the adjustment layer onto the top over everything, and I'm going to drag it out to wherever you need it, and I want it to cover everything. Then I'm going to highlight that, make sure it's selected, and we're going to go back over here and go to Effects, and I've already typed it in, but type in Crop, and then I'll pull it up under the Transform. So you can, if it's selected, if the adjustment layer is selected, then you can double click, and that will add it on there. And then we're going to come down here to the crop settings, and for the bars we want to set the top and the bottom. So for a cinematic look, you could do anything from really like 12 to 18%. I think normally 16% is more standard, but I like to do 13%, and that's typically because sometimes I don't shoot as wide as I should in order to add these. So if you're planning on adding the bars and you know that before you shoot, then shoot a little bit wider than you need, because it will crop off your frame. And if you need to adjust your frame, like if I needed to bring this up a little bit, then you just go down here, select the video clip that you want to adjust, grab the position, and then you can drag it up or down to fit that. I'm just going to reset this. But that's it. So here's what it looks like without it. And now we'll add the bars and turn that back on. And that's all there is to it. So here it is. Alright, so that was it. Super simple way to add those black bars and up your B-roll game. So now that you know that, you can effectively make the most epic B-roll footage ever and take over the planet. Right? So if you like this stuff and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I've got new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you have any questions about anything that I did in Premiere or anything else you want to know about making said epic B-roll, then leave those in the comments below and I will definitely answer them, and I'll probably even make a video about it. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button and I'll see you in the next video.